Now our aim is today we need to create compute instant in private network in particular subnet. Okay, మనం ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేయాలి ఒక కంప్యూట్ ఇన్స్టెన్స్ని ఉన్న VPCలో దానికి ఒక ప్రైవేట్ సబ్నెట్లో పబ్లిక్ సబ్నెట్లో ఫస్ట్ వీఆర్ క్రియేటింగ్ ఏ ఫైల్. Now I am creating file in this directory. This directory is there in present location. Home mail command here nothing is there. Subnet GCP Terra. Whatever we want, you can do VPC. Google Compute underscore network. This one is a VPC resource type. Here resource name you can give our own VPC HR HR. Here this is the VPC name. VPC this block belongs to the how to create the VPC. Okay. Then here auto underscore create underscore subnet equal to false. That means VPC is just created. There is nothing. There is no subnets are created. For example, if this you can place the true, then automatically one subnet is created in each region after creating the VPC. But this case, you keep false. That means just VPC is created. Then in that VPC, we need to create one subnet. Here subnet resource name. You can give whatever your details then VPC subnet nature is the subnet name. Subnet -mhr -QA network. Here in this network, we need to mention where we need to create our subnet. Here, this is the VPC. In this VPC, I need to create the subnet. So I need to mention this one. I need to mention here. So these things are not required. Okay. This block is belongs to how to create the VPC, and this block is belongs to how to create the subnet. And here main part is the we have to link where we need to create our subnet. Here the subnet I need to create into this VPC. So that's why I have to mention here VPC here. Okay, this VPC is created. This VPC is a global, but subnet is a regional. That's why I need to mention here creation. then we need to mention key. Here I don't have any key. Then provider also I need to mention. So take key and provider. Here I have already key and provider. I have taken the same instance in duplicate. Previously, I kept somewhere my key and my key. My key name and then here I have provider. In provider, I mentioned the Google provider. This is my project, MHR project. This is my key name, and where I need to create these resources in a US Central 1 region. So I need to mention here US Central region. This one I need to mention here. Here I need to mention region. This region and here where we need to create our subnet, that region should be same. And zone is not required time being. No, have I don't have service account. Service account I copied from my directory already. Terraform school project. I have a service account. Just simply I will copy that one to here. Now I have created a service account now. Main.tf. So to create the VPC or subnet, we need require the service account. This service account already I have created. How to create the service account I explained in previous videos. Just you can go through once. So simply that service account previously I kept somewhere in a /2 Terraform underscore project. I have a service account. Simply that service account I copied into this project. Okay, then I got the service account. Then if you comes to the main.tf ones, I will explain it. Here this is how to create the VPC. This is how to create the subnet. For creating these two things, I need a service account. This I mentioned here the service account. In which project I am creating the subnet as well as VPC. That I am creating the MHR account project. మనం VPC క్రియేట్ చేయాలన్నా సబ్నెట్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలన్నా ఒక ప్రాజెక్ట్ కావాలి. ఏ ప్రాజెక్ట్ లో క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నాం? ఎంహెచ్ఆర్ అనే ప్రాజెక్ట్ లో మనం VPC క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం. ఇది VPC. ఆ VPC లో మనం సబ్నెట్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం. ఈ ఈ పర్టికులర్ VPC లో సబ్నెట్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం. ఎలా తెలుసు ఈ సబ్నెట్ కి? ఈ సబ్నెట్ లో మనం మెన్షన్ చేసాం. ఈ సబ్నెట్ ఈ పర్టికులర్ VPC లో క్రియేట్ అవ్వాలి. సో అప్పుడు ఈ పర్టికులర్ సబ్నెట్ కి యూపీసీకి లింక్ ఉంది. ఓకే, ఈ సబ్నెట్ రీజనల్ కాబట్టి ఏ రీజన్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలో మెన్షన్ చేయాలి. బట్ విపిసికి మనం మెన్షన్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు రీజన్, ఎందుకంటే విపిసి అనేది గ్లోబల్. బట్ సబ్నెట్ అనేది రీజనల్ కాబట్టి సబ్నెట్ ఎక్కడ క్రియేట్ చేయాలనేది మెన్షన్ చేసాం, ప్రీవియస్ సెంట్రల్ వన్. ఓకే, then terraform init terraform Now I could able to create the VPC as well as a subnet. If you go to here in VPC part, if you observe here, I can able to create VPC-MHR-QA. This is the VPC name. In that I have created the subnet. So now I can able to create the VPC and subnet with help of the Terraform. Now I want to create the instance. How to create instance. Simply I will copy this content. Just I am pasting here main.tf file. Just I pasted here. I want create instance in this subnet. So for that purpose, this is my instance name. I need to change. HR-QA instance, that is instance name. The resource name you can give your wish. HR-QA, that is the resource name. Here what is the mission type? This is the where I need to create the resource. These tags are not required. Here main thing is I don't want this local SSH. Main thing is here I need to mention where I need to create my instance. I need to create my instance in my particular VPC, in that VPC MHR in VPC, in this particular subnet I need to create. So for that purpose I need to mention your subnet clearly. subnet dot id. Okay, this is the here my compute instance need to create in this particular subnet. Very simple. Here already I have created VPC then subnet, and in the subnet I need to create my compute instance that where I need to mention here in this part. I mention here in this particular subnet I need to create. Apply. I have something in subnet talk. Okay, subnet talk here. Subnet talk. Something here. Yeah, subnet talk. Yeah, now I can able to create my instance in my particular VPC. Can go here. Here in compute instance, I can able to see my instance. Yeah, this one mhr-q, this mhr-q a mhr-qa that is created in VPC-mhr-qa. This is the VPC. In that I have a separate subnet-mhr-qa. So I can able to create one instance, compute instance in particular private VPC in that in particular subnet. Okay.